In a mixing bowl, drop in your ground pork and onions, seasoned with salt and pepper. Next, drop in your carrots and ketchup. Give it a partial mix. I'm not a fan of raisins, so no raisins for this recipe. Crack in 1 egg and again mix, and let this set for about 20 minutes before assembly. To assemble, in an aluminum foil, spread out your pork mixture. Next, gently line up those hot dogs, cheese, and eggs. Quick tip, do a soft-boiled egg. Since this will continue to cook, we don't want some overcooked eggs in this embutido. Now tuck everything in towards you, then roll. Make sure it's sealed tight. Twist both ends to make sure everything's compact. This step is optional, but I wanted my embutido to be secured, so I added another layer of foil. Gently place your embutido in a steamer, then cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. "25 minutes has gone by. Remove the embutido and let it cool completely before slicing. Let's proceed to the plate up. Plate up time. Line up your embutidos, garnish, and serve. Simple. And voila, pork embutido, no raisins, done.